Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Nissan's Altima and Rogue are popular for their smooth rides and fuel efficiency, thanks in part to their continuously variable transmissions, CVTs. But many owners have faced frustrating issues, like shuddering during acceleration or unexpected transmission wear. These problems can lead to costly repairs and unreliable performance, turning a trusted daily driver into a headache. If you own one of these models, you're not alone. Let's break down the most common CVT complaints, why they happen, and what you can do about them. Understanding Nissan's CVT transmission technology. Nissan's CVT, continuously variable transmission, became a big selling point for models like the Altima and Rogue, promising better fuel economy and smoother rides than traditional automatics. But how does it actually work, and why did Nissan push this tech so hard? How CVTs work in Nissan Altima and Rogue. Unlike a regular automatic transmission with fixed gear ratios, Nissan's CVT uses a pair of pulleys connected by a steel belt. One pulley adjusts to engine speed, while the other matches wheel speed, creating an infinite range of gear ratios. The result: no clunky gear shifts, just smooth acceleration. In the Altima and Rogue, Nissan tuned their CVTs to prioritize fuel efficiency. You won't feel the typical downshift when hitting the gas, just a steady hum as the engine revs climb smoothly. But this design also introduces quirks: hesitation during quick acceleration, or that rubber band sensation where the engine revs high before catching up. Key mechanics you should know. Steel belt and pulleys, the core components that replace traditional gears. Hydraulic pressure control, adjusts pulley width on the fly for seamless ratio changes. Cooling system, vital to prevent overheating, a common weak point in early models. The promised benefits of Nissan CVTs. Nissan marketed these transmissions as the future: better mileage, less maintenance, and smooth power delivery. For a while, it worked. The Altima and Rogue saw impressive EPA ratings, with some models hitting over 30 mpg highway. Here's what Nissan pushed as advantages. Fuel efficiency, fewer mechanical losses than traditional automatics. Smoother drive, no gear shifts mean no jerky transitions. Lighter weight, compact design helps with overall vehicle balance. But there was a catch. That same simplicity also put more stress on components, leading to the notorious issues owners now face: shuddering, belt slippage, and early wear. The trade-off between innovation and reliability became clear over time. Common problems with Nissan CVT transmissions. Nissan's CVT transmissions in the Altima and Rogue promised a smoother, more efficient drive, but many owners report recurring issues that disrupt that promise. From unsettling shuddering to early failures, these problems often stem from the same weak points in the design. Let's break down what goes wrong, why it happens, and when to expect trouble. Shuddering and jerking, symptoms and causes. One of the most common complaints from Altima and Rogue drivers is a shuddering sensation, especially during acceleration. It feels like the car hesitates or vibrates under light throttle, almost like driving over rumble strips. This usually starts between 30,000 and 60,000 miles and gets worse over time. The main culprits behind this issue. Belt slippage. The steel belt connecting the CVT's pulleys can wear or lose tension, causing a jerky response. Fluid breakdown. Old or contaminated transmission fluid fails to lubricate properly, leading to uneven pulley movement. Software glitches. Some models need transmission control module, TCM, updates to smooth out power delivery. If ignored, the shuddering can escalate into more severe jerking or even sudden loss of power, particularly in stop-and-go traffic. Premature wear and failure. Nissan CVTs have a reputation for wearing out faster than traditional automatics. Many owners report needing replacements as early as 80,000 miles, well before the 150,000-mile mark you'd expect from a standard transmission. Rebuilds are rare. Most shops recommend full replacements, which can cost $3,500 or more. Signs of premature failure include whining or grinding noises during acceleration, delayed engagement when shifting from park to drive, sudden drops in RPM without changing speed, The Altima and Rogue are especially prone due to their higher torque loads and compact cooling systems. Without early intervention, minor slipping can snowball into complete transmission failure. Reports of overheating. Overheating is a silent killer for Nissan CVTs. When the transmission runs too hot, fluid breaks down faster, accelerating wear on the belt and pulleys. You might notice a burning smell, sluggish shifting, or dashboard warnings in severe cases. Common triggers for overheating: towing or carrying heavy loads, frequent stop-and-go driving in hot weather, clogged transmission coolers reducing fluid circulation. Once overheating starts, it creates a vicious cycle. Thinned fluid leads to more friction, which generates more heat, further degrading the transmission. Regular fluid checks and cooler maintenance can help, but many owners only realize there's a problem after damage is done. These CVT flaws aren't just occasional quirks, they're persistent issues that Nissan has struggled to fully resolve. If your Altima or Rogue shows any of these symptoms, acting early can save you from a costly repair down the road. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.